Hello everyone, in front of me is Alcatel 1B, and let me show you how to check serial number assigned to this device. First of all, you have to open your phone dealer. Then enroll keypad and enter a secret code. The code is *#06#. And here you've got device information with your serial number included. Click on OK. And now you can also find serial number via settings. At first enter the settings, then find and select system, click on about phone, and here enter status. And now your serial number is almost at the bottom of the list. So that is all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.